Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison between two all-in-one business platforms, Kajabi and GoHighLevel. Both are powerhouse tools designed to help entrepreneurs, coaches, agencies, and online creators build and automate their businesses. But they cater to slightly different audiences and have very different strengths. So by the end of this video, you know which one fits your goal in 2025. Kajabi is best known as an all-in-one business platform for creators, coaches, and educators. It's built to help you create, market, and sell digital products, whether that's online courses, memberships, or coaching programs, all under one roof. What makes Kajabi appealing is that it eliminates the need for multiple subscriptions. Instead of paying separately for a website builder, course host, email marketing tool, and funnel builder, Kajabi bundles all these into one system. Its interface is clean and beginner-friendly, making it easy to design pages, upload lessons, and automate email campaigns without touching code. Kajabi's biggest strength lies in content delivery. It's polished, reliable, and feels professional from your customer's point of view. It's ideal for creators who want to focus on teaching and content, not on managing a dozen integrations. Now, on the other hand, we have GoHighLevel, often shortened to High Level. GoHighLevel is also an all-in-one platform, but its core audience is very different. It's built for marketers and digital agencies who want to manage multiple clients, create funnels, run automations, and even white label their own software. Where Kajabi simplifies your business, GoHighLevel gives you massive flexibility and control. You can manage multiple client accounts, automate SMS and email sequences, track pipelines, build websites, run ads, and even resell the platform as your own software as a service business. Now let us talk about the main features of each platform. In terms of course and membership building, Kajabi shines here. You can easily create digital courses, you can drip content, host communities, and deliver coaching programs. Everything feels polished, from the student dashboard to the checkout process. GoHighLevel does allow you to host content, but it's not its main focus. Its learning management tools aren't as refined as Kajabi's. How about funnels and pipelines? Kajabi includes pipelines, their versions of sales funnels, letting you connect the landing pages, email sequences, and checkout pages. It's easy to use but somewhat limited in complexity. GoHighLevel, however, was built for automation and funnels. You can create advanced multi-step funnel flows with conditions, triggers, and integrations across SMS, voice, and email. It's perfect for complex campaigns or lead nurturing sequences. How about CRM and contact management? Kajabi offers a decent CRM for managing customers, tagging, and segmenting, but it's focused more on your students or leads. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, provides a full CRM system with pipelines, stages, lead scoring, and automation across multiple accounts. It's one of the strongest CRMs among all-in-one platforms. How about automation? Kajabi offers simple, action-based automations like when a student completes a course, send this email. Well, GoHighLevel takes automation to another level, letting you combine triggers across email, SMS, voice, and tasks, all connected to your CRM. Multi-client and white label options. Kajabi is built for one business at a time. It is great if you're a solo entrepreneur or a small team. GoHighLevel, however, lets you create multiple sub-accounts, you can manage clients, and even rebrand the platform as your own software, and this is ideal for agencies. Communication tools. Kajabi focuses mainly on email campaigns, while GoHighLevel offers multi-channel communication, and that includes text messages, calls, emails, and social media messages, all from one dashboard. Support and learning. Kajabi has one of the best educational resources for new users, plus an active community. GoHighLevel has a strong community too, though it's more technical, and some users find the learning curve steeper. Now, what is the pricing of both platforms like? For Kajabi, there's a Kickstarter plan at $71 per month, There's a basic plan at $143 per month, a growth plan at $199 per month, and a pro plan at $399 per month. For GoHighLevel, there's a starter plan at $97 per month and an unlimited plan at $297 per month. Both offers you a 14-day free trial, no obligations, no contracts, you can cancel them at any time. Now, what are the pros and cons of using both platforms? We start with the pros. For Kajabi, it's extremely easy to use. It's great for non-tech users. It has a beautiful course experience for students. It has a reliable all-in-one platform for creators, and it's excellent customer support and education. The pros of GoHighLevel: incredibly flexible automation tools. It is ideal for agencies and marketers. And it has white label and SaaS resale capabilities. It can replace many separate marketing tools. How about the cons? For Kajabi, the automation flexibility is limited. It's not suitable for agencies that are managing multiple clients. And the cons of GoHighLevel: it has a steeper learning curve for beginners, usage-based fees may increase your total costs, and it is less polished for online course delivery. So having considered all of this, which is the better platform in 2025? Well, the answer depends entirely on what you're trying to build. If you're a coach, a creator, or educator selling digital products, courses, or memberships, Kajabi is your best choice because it's beginner-friendly, visually appealing, and takes care of everything from your website to your payments and email marketing. No tech stress required. Well, if you are a digital marketer, a consultant, or an agency owner managing multiple clients, or if automation and scalability are your top priorities, then GoHighLevel is the smarter investment. It is more powerful, more customizable, and better suited for marketing-heavy businesses that need advanced CRM and workflow automation. And that's it on the comparison of Kajabi and GoHighLevel. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Kartra, ClickFunnels 2.0, and System.io. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.